Hi, I'm Tracy Ellis from Fun Eden, and I'm here today to show you the 5 areas to check when you buy a bus. First, check outside the bus. Walk around the bus looking for corrosion on the aluminum. Touch the bus and make sure there's no soft spots. Does it feel solid? Look under the bus. Make sure the body mounts aren't rotten. This is anywhere where the aluminum and steel meet. Check the rear differential seal plate for leaks or bad corrosion. Also have a look at the brake lines to make sure they aren't rotten. Make sure the emergency brake cable isn't broken or seized. Look for oil pan leaks. Look towards the back of the bus for indications of oil spraying along the chassis. Check the stabilizer bushings for excessive wear. Check your tires for tread wear. If you notice any uneven wear, this is a sign of front end problems. Also, if you have the chance to put your bus up on a hoist, spin the wheel and listen for grinding or clunking sounds, as this may be a sign of potential bearing problems. It's something to look at. Check under the hood. Check the brake fluid reservoir and the power steering reservoir. Make sure they both aren't leaking and that they both have fluid. Inspect the coolant hoses. Check for cracks and leaks. Check the serendipity belt for cracks and frays. If any part connected to this belt is making a strange noise, it could mean future problems with the water pump or alternator. Check the oil dipstick. Make sure there's no coolant in the oil. Then inspect the battery connections. Are they corroded? Are the cables cracking or rotten? Also check the radiator for signs of dents, possible leaks. Now is a good time to make sure all of the headlights, turning signals, rear lights, brake lights, and marker lights are working. Check the inside of the bus. Look at the instrument panel. Does it light up properly? Does the fuel gauge work? This is important. Are there cracks in the windshield? Is the floor rotting? Most people replace this, but it's important to inspect. Take the bus to a mechanic before you buy, or better yet, bring one with you. It's important for you to buy a bus that's been well cared for and maintained over the years and not neglected. I hope this video has helped. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.